The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner, and it's already creating waves as the most anticipated smartphone of 2025. Set to be unveiled on January 22nd, this flagship device is expected to redefine the standards of premium smartphones. Samsung is making bold moves, such as ditching Exynos processors entirely. Every model across the globe will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring consistent and unmatched performance everywhere. This upgrade isn't just a spec bump, it's a leap into the future. Pricing rumors hint that the Galaxy S25 series will retain its European price tags from last year, starting at €899 for the base S25 and reaching up to €1,899 for the 1TB Ultra. However, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite reportedly 25 to 30% more expensive to produce, some analysts predict a $100 price hike globally. Is the added cost justified? Let's dive into the details to see what makes this phone truly stand out. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is nothing short of breathtaking. Leaked dummy images reveal a taller, narrower body crafted with a titanium frame for a premium feel. The 6.86-inch display, slightly larger than the S24 Ultra, features ultra-thin bezels that maximize screen space while maintaining an elegant look. This year's standout color is titanium blue, a bold yet vibrant choice, but Samsung hasn't forgotten fans of timeless classics, offering shades like titanium black, gold, and silver. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, combined with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM on higher storage variants, ensures seamless multitasking, faster app loading, and lag-free gaming. Even the base model boasts 12 gigabytes of RAM, so no compromises there. For storage, the Ultra maxes out at a hopping 1TB, giving users plenty of space for all their content without ever worrying about running out. Samsung is also shaking things up with wireless charging. The new K2 wireless charging standard supports magnetic charging profiles similar to Apple's MagSafe, but with the versatility of Android. Faster, more efficient, and seamlessly integrated, this new feature could revolutionize how you power up your device. The camera is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly shines. Equipped with a 200MP ISO-CELA-HP5 sensor, it promises stunning clarity and detail in every shot. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes, sharp portraits, or night photography, the Ultra's AI-powered Galaxy Vision feature will enhance your photos with intelligent scene recognition and real-time adjustments. This phone doesn't just take pictures, it elevates your photography game to professional levels. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with One UI 7.0 pre-installed. Expect a redesigned notification interface, smarter AI integrations, and an extended support promise of up to 7 years of updates. Whether you're a longtime Samsung fan or thinking about switching from another ecosystem, the usability improvements and long-term support make this phone a solid investment. Of course, Samsung isn't the only player in a premium smartphone arena. With Apple and Huawei pushing their boundaries, competition is fierce. But the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems ready to take on all challengers with its blend of cutting-edge hardware, innovative features, and head-turning design. The question now is, will the Galaxy S25 Ultra be the smartphone that convinces you to switch or stay loyal to Samsung? One thing's for sure, this is a release you won't want to miss.